This is Company Saturdays. Every Saturday we present you with another company. Today we're looking at 15 things you didn't know about DJI. Welcome to Alux.com, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. Hello Aluxers and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to get into the world of technology and talk about a world-famous company that's best known for the manufacturing of the most popular drones. Yes, we're talking about DJI, the Shenzhen Guangdong-based Chinese company. They fabricate lots of tech, such as cameras, camera stabilizers, propulsion systems, and all kinds of devices for aerial photography. They're well known for their state-of-the-art technology and especially for their drones. DJI is the biggest civilian and commercial drone manufacturer, being responsible for the production of up to 70% of the drones out there. The technologies they've developed have been used in different industries, especially the entertainment industry, for filming of high-quality scenes for movies like Game of Thrones and The Amazing Race. The company was founded back in 2006 by Frank Weng after enrolling in a science and technology course in Hong Kong and receiving $2,300 in funding for research and development purposes. You can now find DJI products on their website or through authorized dealers around the world. If you're new here, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and follow us on Instagram at Alux. So, now that we've got a bit of the intro out of the way, let's go into depth and list the 15 things you didn't know about DJI. Number 1. DJI is the world leader in the drone department. DJI accounts for more than 70% of the production on the drone market, which makes them the absolute world leader in commercializing the fabrication of drones. Their technology is so high-end that it's frequently used in the entertainment industry on movie sets and even for live footage. These popular devices are actually considered the most multi-purpose discoveries of the decade, as they are used in so many different industries, and they help to improve service quality. Nowadays, drones are used in agriculture and farming businesses in Japan and in the US. Real-time monitoring and automated planting are only two of the benefits of drones in this industry. Number 2. The company was born out of a research project. Frank Weng founded the now globally known company in 2006 while he was still living in his dorm room. He was a student of the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology when he got a grant of $2,300 for his research in drone technology. As they couldn't actually work from the dorm room, Wang and his two classmates decided to rent a small office space in Shenzhen. At first, they had so much research and work to do, they had to skip a lot of classes in order to put in time for the new business. They set out on making autopilot systems for drones, but their ultimate goal was always to deliver a drone that could be flown as soon as you got your hands on it. Number 3. Their prototype Hong Kong headquarters looks futuristic. Their new headquarters in Shenzhen are being designed by Foster & Partners, the renowned architects who handled the building of the Apple headquarters in Cupertino, California. The headquarters consists of two twin skyscrapers connected together by a glass bridge that will most definitely serve as a landing place for their famous drones. The two-tower design is also meant to separate the corporate from the research area of the company, as they are known for being very secretive with their technology and their research. The design also includes gardens, a cafeteria, and a gym that's meant to keep the employees on the company grounds, but also keep productivity at a high level. We're looking forward to seeing the final result. Number 4. Their drones have been used in music videos and movies. When you're the world leader in drone production for commercial and industrial use, your products are the ones that are at the top of the list for any movie producer out there. DJI's drones were used to shoot a music video and famous TV productions like American Ninja Warrior, Game of Thrones, and The Amazing Race. They're awarded the Technology and Engineering Emmy Award for their outstanding technology. DJI products are affordable and high-performing, giving movie directors the opportunity to expand their creativity and shoot aerial scenes from low altitudes. TV shows and movies have gotten a very unique makeover thanks to the evolution of drone technology. Number 5. The founder has a net worth of $3.2 billion, according to Forbes. Frank Weng is the Chinese entrepreneur who founded DJI back in 2006. His business has grown beyond imagination ever since, and now the privately owned company amounts to over $1 billion in sales. Their most popular product is the Phantom drone that retails for about $1,000. But besides the Phantom, they also produce cameras, flight controllers, Ronin ground gimbals, FPV goggles, and ZenMuse aerial gimbals. Nowadays, Frank Weng is estimated to own around 45% of the billion-dollar company, which gets his net worth to about $3.2 billion. Well, that's what you could call a pretty good outcome for a business that started in college as a research project. Number 6. Fellow Chinese companies are producing cheaper DJI-looking drones. When you're at the top of your niche, everyone will try to copy you and get a piece of your fame and money. A number of Chinese startups have risen in the same time, and they're either building very similar products to DJI, or they're taking a totally different approach to drones. As an example, the Fairy is a drone that looks just like the Spark made by DJI. But as the Spark ranks at $300, SimTools is selling the Fairy for only $99. As competition has been growing exponentially in the last few years, a number of companies came up with their own products which they mean to sell at much lower prices than DJI. There was even a micro drone released for under $25, but unfortunately this tiny drone did not include a camera. Number 7. DJI drones are allegedly used to spy on the US by China. Technology can always be used in very creative ways, and as we are talking about drone technology, there must be a security scandal just around the corner. The Los Angeles Office of Homeland Security's Immigration and Customs Enforcement accused the Chinese company of giving out very important and secret US data to the Chinese government. The memo is directly accusing DJI of espionage in favor of the Chinese government, as they supposedly shared critical infrastructure and law enforcement data. Even though the report has been online for a while, the source of the claim has yet to be revealed. I guess we'll have to stick around and see if this accusation goes any further, or if the US government releases any other information on the matter. Number 8. In 2015, a drone hit the White House wall in Washington. The incident in 2015, when a Phantom 3 crashed on the south lawn of the White House, determined DJI to update all of their drones' firmware with a no-fly geosystem, which functions as a stop sign for restricted airspaces. Based on the GPS location, the drones will not take off or fly close to restricted areas. Washington, D.C. is actually a no-drone area as they have so much security around the federal buildings. A no-drone zone campaign was launched to remind people of the prohibition. If you decide to violate this rule, you'll have to come up with $25,000 because that's how much the fine is. And there's actually another case of a drone crashing around the White House in January, but there were no charges as the owner of the drone proved that he had lost control of the gadget at the time. Number 9. The US Army uses DJI drones for their missions. You might have wondered, but now you know it. The Army also uses DJI drones for missions in which they need to take aerial photos. The US Army is known to use DJI products, but in 2017, they went on to claim security reasons and ban all DJI products from the Army's use. DJI expressed their disappointment in the U.S. action, but a spokesperson for the U.S. Army went on to claim that the decision is still under review. The Army might have decided against DJI tech, but the U.S. Marines and other parts of the U.S. military are still using the Chinese brand's products. Technology always stirs a lot of suspicion between countries, it seems. Number 10. The most expensive drone in the world is not a DJI and costs around $300,000. Drones have gained so much popularity in recent years that you may not be surprised to find out that there's a lot of requests for expensive and top products. There are so many different uses of these products, you can just let your creativity run wild thinking of a purpose for the drone. But there's one drone that takes the price tag of the market, and it's not a DJI drone. eHang 184 is a project of the eHang startup, and it's actually a drivable drone. It's said to include chairs, AC, a built-in tablet, and after a 2-hour charge, you'll be able to fly it for around 23 minutes. The whole thing seems a bit illegal. Just imagine everyone flying around in their drones in the city. But hey, it's a fun picture to imagine, so we just hope they'll get their test drive at some point. If you're a tech-savvy person and want to find out some more about this industry, make sure to check out our 15 Things You Didn't Know About the Tech Industry video. Number 11. DJI is partnering with Microsoft. DJI took the next logical step and established a partnership with Microsoft. They'll be building a new drone SDK especially for Windows 10. This means the users of Windows 10 will be able to transfer data to their PCs and connect their computers directly to the DJI drone. Going further, the SDK will make it much easier to integrate other third-party hardware with the drone, which will give users of the device many more options. The partnership also includes DJI using Azure as the cloud provider, and Microsoft AI services will be used in analyzing the customer's aerial footage. This partnership sure seems to be going a long way, so there must be a lot in it for both parties. Number 12. DJI offers free training in some US cities. Partnering with Enjoy was a smart move from DJI. Enjoy provides trained experts who will come to your home and deliver your DJI product for free, as well as a training session and professional setup. Unfortunately, the Enjoy does not deliver to all areas, so if you're in a lucky zip code, make sure you take advantage of this service. DJI also offers educational discounts to students and educators who own an educationally approved email address. The discount is available for the online purchase of the Spark, and the applicants will receive a 15% discount. That's a thoughtful campaign from DJI. We wonder how many educators and students took advantage of it. Number 13. They offer $30,000 to any hacker that finds flaws in their drones. Giving out a reward to anyone who finds flaws in their devices is a good way to invest in security and have the whole world pay attention to your product. The DJI Threat Identification Award was announced to range between $100,000 and $30,000 depending on the level of vulnerability the hacker is able to find. This action came as a response to the huge number of threats and hacks DJI has suffered during the years. Hackers have managed to root the devices and go around the no-fly zone restriction of drones. This just goes to show DJI is highly concerned about the security of their drones and is doing their best to keep the code and the devices secure. Number 14. Casey Neistat made a delivery pizza drone with a DJI Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian. Casey Neistat is a famous YouTuber, and everyone who watches him knows about his Tech Review Tuesday segment. While opening fan mail, Casey received a device that was especially made for Phantom 3 and Phantom 4 devices. He decided to use the device and made a fun video on how drones can be used. He used the drone with the device to create a pizza delivery device. This was a fun and useful spin on drones, as the devices have gained some bad reputation for their usage in delivering illegal packages. You can always turn things around with a bit of creativity, humor, and with an audience of millions of fans that watch your daily videos. Number 15. Drones can actually save human lives. DJI recently stated that drones save human lives on a weekly basis. Drones are not just a tool to be used in the scope of art or military operations. Being such a versatile tool, a drone can be used to deliver aid to those in need and also respond promptly to natural disasters. UNICEF, together with the Malawi government, are beginning to test humanitarian drones in Africa. Having a flying human-controlled machine that can take objects and inspect areas that are endangered is a huge plus for dealing with emergencies in remote areas. Since 2013, drones have actually been used to save 59 lives in 18 different situations around the globe. Imagine how many more people can be helped if we just choose to use the technology we have for the right purposes. And that was it for today, Aluxers. Thanks for sticking with us until the end. We hope you learned some interesting facts about DJI and the drone industry. Now, before you go, we're curious. Do you think China is really spying on the US using drones? Let us know in the comments section below. Now wait, are you still with us? Of course you are, because you're a true Aluxer. As always, we've got a bonus fact just for you. Number 16. In South Korea, there's a flying drone arena. Where do you think the first drone arena was built? Well, of course, in South Korea. To be more specific, in Seoul. DJI made this move in order to push forward the pace at which people are adopting the usage of drones in their daily lives. So, if you want to learn how to fly a drone in Seoul, you can do so in a safe space that provides you with instructors as well. The arena is no less than 1,400 square meters and is equipped to house both beginner and experienced drone pilots. It has a lot of amenities, such as an adjustable LED-lit circuit for pilots who want to test their skills, LCD TVs that display an FPV on the drone's viewpoints, and the maintenance room is equipped with charging docks and workstations for minor repairs. Thank you for spending some time with us, Aluxer. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss a video. If you want more, we handpicked these videos you might enjoy, or head over to Alux.com for the best in fine living content on the planet. Be a part of the largest community of luxury enthusiasts in the world and tell your story.